Amma and her manager Nena. Today we're going to be unboxing some goods that were shipped all the way from Nigeria. Woo! Yes, all the way from Nigeria.
All the way from Nigeria.
So stick with us, amazing people, as we unbox this huge box and look at everything that it has to contain and hold.
Alright, so we're doing it outside because
there's something special inside.
There's something special, and I don't want any surprises, just in case there are some things,
that we didn't sign up for.
That came with the package. That's why we're doing it outside, just in case. But I trust the shipper. I know everything is clean and intact. Okay.
So let's open the box. It's mommy time. Let's do it.
This is a lot of
Do you need help?
I need something like a knife or something. Tabella, can you get us a knife, please? Maybe a knife will work instead of scissors. Thank you, sir.
Actually, is it okay?
Oh, all right. So let's see. I'm just gonna read. Indomie.
Really?
Okay. Woo, my fish. Oh my gosh. They look so good. Oh, patakot to. It says patakot to I don't know, I'm doing this upside down, but I'm sorry. Oh, it said my name, and then patakot to US home delivery. Uche, where is it? There's no H in San Antonio. Is there H in San Antonio?
Oh my God.
Mommy.
Oh, is it right here? It says
Antonio.
San Antonio. Thoni. Oh my gosh.
He tried.
I'm glad this one is inside. It is San Antonio.
Uche, where is it? You spelled it wrong. So let's see what's inside the bag.
I got some spices. I hope she labeled the spices. Okay, here are my spices. I hope she labeled them. And I guess another
up to the camera.
Another spice. I hope she labeled them all. And then my fish. OMG.
Look at all that fish.
And it came intact. Look at it. It came intact.
Is that the head?
It's the whole body of the fish. Man, this is different. This fish is different. Oh my gosh. OMGs. And there's nothing crippling inside. It came neat and intact. So, Tobena, get me Ziploc bags. So I'm gonna package them in Ziploc bags and put them in my freezer. Give me the box of Ziploc bags, the big one.
The big ones.
Thank you.
And close the door. Okay, so she's just gonna be packing the fish.
I feel like I should sun the fish a little bit, but I'm just gonna package them and put them in the freezer. This is how we store our fish here, that way to last for long. Man, thank you so much, Uche, for my fish. This fish will last me, I don't want to say 1 year so I don't jinx it, but at least 6 months. 6 months. So this is one of the spices she packaged. The spice, I hope she put names. I hope you label them because I wouldn't know which is which. That's the problem I have whenever they send me all these what do you call it? Achi or four and all that. If you don't put the name on it, it's just, I will never figure out what it is, and
never end up using it.
Because I don't know what it is. Some people can taste it and they should be. Oh, I think this is a suya spice. Uche, you should have labeled this one. This is the suya spice, I think it should be the suya spice. I don't know. If you're watching, tell me what this one is. I think it's a suya spice, Uche. Yes. Oh yeah, smells like suya spice. So I believe it's a suya spice.
You can label it.
Yeah. Then this one's, I hope she labeled those ones. Okay. Yeah, it smells good. Okay, so, man, I don't know. This one smells like curries inside. No, Jay, should have just labeled them. So, this one here. Oh, this one says pepper. Pepper. It says pepper. Pepper something. Huh? I guess. Maybe it's a maybe this is a pepper soup spice. Okay, I gotta take pictures and ask her which is which. So this one in the yellow bag. Maybe it's a pepper soup spice. Okay, Uche. I'm gonna text you to tell you to ask you what this is. The black one in the yellow bag, and this one in the Ziploc bag, and this one, these three. Tell me what they are. So I'm happy with my goods so far. I will tell you who I ordered from. Of course, I'm definitely gonna link her, put her name and everything, so you can reach out if you need to order. Okay, so finally everything goes in the freezer where they belong. This is the freezer where I store all my Nigerian food. This is a freezer, and everything here is all Nigerian food, Nigerian spices. So this is my spice. I have to label it. Pepper soup spice, jollof rice spice, I think I figured them out, and then my suya spice. So I just label everything and put in the freezer.